Hey, this is Lucas with FastCap, and this is our newest SpeedBrace. This is the L brace. It's Lucas's favorite because it's an L, but really it's the most versatile and the best looking SpeedBrace we have. 14 inches long here, and it can be mounted in two different ways. You could use it as a regular SpeedBrace, mounted on a wall like this, countersunk for 3/8 inch screws, but it's cool because you can bolt in from this side too. It's countersunk on both sides, so you can put it flush behind a range or a sink where you don't have enough space to have a regular SpeedBrace cantilever out. We're gonna do some weight testing on this guy so you guys can see real life what one of our new 14-inch L braces can hold. All right, so today we're gonna do load testing on the new L braces here. We got two of them, 16 inches on center, one shelf on it, and here's our weights. Let's go. So for real life weight testing, we started with 245s on the bottom, followed by 235s, followed by 225s, and then we got 410s on top of that. It was holding with no problem at all, so we had to make some stuff up. So when we ran out of weights with a 250-pound stack there, we replaced the stack with a 250-pound Adam, and we started handing Adam weights. We were able to hand Adam 145 with no problem at all. And remember, he's got legs hanging over the edge there. He's a live load, so he's putting more force on it. So this is a real good test. No way it'll fail before it fails in this video. Hand him the second 45. It's still holding, but he started to feel it sag. We didn't want him to get hurt. So we took him away, and we're calling it 300 pounds on the pair. So that's 150 pounds per 14-inch L brace. And that's used in the same fashion as a normal speed brace, screwed through drywall into studs.
Like this. So this is a new speed brace that we're coming up with for this exact application. So that will go in there. You can put it right in the center. We'll set that down flush just like we set that one, and you can screw it on. The cool thing about this one is it's universal. It will both go on the inside of a cabinet, or it can be mounted on a wall like this as well, and it can give a nice look and effect. And notice we put the holes right here at the top, so it's very well supported and it won't come off the wall very well. So this is a new speed brace we're coming up with for the island application, and it will be able to be used other places.
SP14 L brace from FastCap. You're gonna love this product.